Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can register on GCash. So, let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have the GCash app installed on your phone. Just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for GCash, and download the app. Once you've installed it, open the GCash app from your phone's app drawer and get started with the registration process. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your mobile number. Choose your country code from the list, then type in your phone number. After that, tap Next. You'll also be asked if you want to link your device to your account. Hit Send Code, and GCash will send a 6-digit verification code to your phone. When you receive the code via SMS, simply enter it into the app. After verifying your number, continue following the prompts. You'll need to fill out some personal details like your full name, date of birth, and email address to complete your registration. You'll also be asked to upload a valid ID and take a selfie to confirm your identity. Completing these steps will unlock extra features and higher transaction limits for your account. And that's it. Signing up for GCash is quick and easy. All you need is a valid phone number and your basic personal information. And that's it, you're done.